Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Mr. Zaman and here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Patients with severe psoriasis are at a higher risk for heart disease, a study confirms. In the largest study to date exploring the relationship between severe psoriasis and coronary microvascular dysfunction, researchers have found further evidence that patients with severe psoriasis are at higher cardiovascular risk. Psoriasis is a chronic systemic immune-mediated inflammatory disease that affects 1 to 3% of the global population. In the study, a total of 503 patients with psoriasis and without clinical cardiovascular disease underwent transthoracic Doppler echocardiography to evaluate coronary microcirculation. Investigators uncovered a high prevalence of coronary microvascular dysfunction in more than 30% of asymptomatic patients within the study population. Aspiring to excel in medical journalism and delve into the intricacies of health and medical reporting? Explore our comprehensive course on medical and health journalism available at the Medical Dialogues Academy. Learn from industry experts who possess in-depth knowledge and experience in this field. For further details, scan the QR code or access the link in the description box below. New peptide vaccine shows promise in treating aggressive brain tumors. Physicians and cancer researchers from Heidelberg and Mannheim have now treated adult patients with advanced midline gliomas, difficult to treat brain tumors, with a peptide vaccine for the first time. The vaccine mimicked a mutational change in a histone protein typical of this type of cancer. The vaccine proved to be safe and induced the desired immune responses directed against the brain tumor. Diffuse midline gliomas are among the most aggressive brain tumors. In this type of cancer, mutations characteristically occur in the gene encoding histone H3, which is H3K27M, a packaging protein of DNA. The mutation gives rise to a novel protein structure, a so-called neopeptide, that can be recognized as foreign by the patient's immune system. European Commission grants approval to the first Tocilizumab biosimilar. The European Commission has granted marketing authorization to Fresenius Kabi for its Tocilizumab biosimilar tie-in. This marks the first approval of a Tocilizumab biosimilar in Europe, as announced in a press release on September 19th by the manufacturer Fresenius Kabi. Tie-in is indicated for treating various conditions including rheumatoid arthritis, systemic juvenile idiopathic arthritis, juvenile idiopathic polyarthritis, giant cell arthritis, CAR T-cell induced severe or life-threatening cytokine release syndrome, and COVID-19. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.